we aren't just breaking ground. Today, we are making a statement. And that statement is that opportunity is right here.
First, I want to express our deepest gratitude to the United States Economic Development Administration for the generous $3 million investment in our region.
It is just a deep honor to be able to help secure investments to help our region grow and thrive.
Together, we are the architects that are going to make sure that that blueprint includes equity and that we have many paths to success.
So equity, that's what it's all about, right? Making sure that we get our fair share. Well, we don't get our fair share unless we're talking to the right people. And nobody delivered for us better than Will Marshall. On behalf of the state of California, thank you so very much.
This new job training facility will empower anyone interested in pursuing a trade in construction and maintenance to forestry and other good, stable, quality jobs.
The San Bernardino Community College District is the one that has the vision. We are preparing the future workforce.
Opportunity just isn't a word. It's a promise of new beginnings and brighter futures for everyone in our communities.